My name is Ricardo Ferrari. I'm the sales manager for digital cinema in Latin America. We are participating for the first edition of ExpoCine Brazil for the digital cinema industry. For me, it was a very good surprise based on the attendance, on the people that came in and could be more involved with the technology, could be facing the products and meet one each other. I guess that all of them really got satisfied what they could see in the market, on the trade show, to have more commitment with the client and make it then to easy decide about technology and about which brand they will buy for the next years that will be used for the VPF conversion. Barco is very happy with the first edition. We of course will participate in the second one next year with more new products, with more new commitment with the market, and for sure with more emphasizing of what we will be able to provide for the digital cinema industry. Thank you very much for all the participants.